Look what we found. Look what we found. Okay, there is a door. There is a window here. And there is a window here. And all this is your room, yeah? So all this, Mehdi, he was looking so we can see next door. I think it was all one room or connected to next door. Oh my God, I don't know what happened. Thank God I wasn't in a garden and no one was in the garden. We've been walking and we heard bum bum bum. So I come outside and I saw this one. It came out by itself. Can you see, Lucy? From here, it came out by itself. I didn't do anything, nobody did anything. No one went in the garden. It was raining. Wow. Thank God no one was there. It's good for me. At least we take it out. God bless us. Minia, this is Jinsam's room. Jinsam's room. Look what he found. It's very empty. Chimney. Chimney. Yeah, chimney. Jinsam's room. This is Jinsam's room. They clean it here, so it's fine. It's good. Tomorrow I will take this plant, or they put them inside. Wow, wow. I'm not going to touch the arch, but in the corner here, they will. That one too. To be honest, not too bad what I'm doing. Not too bad for a few days. Few days of work. At least they clean after that. More bags. Old sewage from rain terrace. There you go. That's it. Oh, that's good. They blocked it. Oh, Dad. Ah, it's good.